Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing all great. Today I share with you this delicious Ghanaian Kontomire stew or PALAVA sauce. It's one of my favorites, and I tell you, after watching this video, you are going to make this stew your #1 favorite stew as well. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Do wait to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. So now, without wasting my time, let's dive right in. To start with everything, I have some cleaned relay or pomo or caro. I was using this mix with some garlic, ginger and onion powder and a little bit of salt to taste. I'll go in with enough water. I'll cover and allow it to cook until it's soft enough for us to enjoy. Alright, so whilst that is going on, I'll also heat up some cooking oil. You can also use any cooking oil of your choice. I'll allow it to heat up for about 1 minute, and afterwards I'll go in with some cured fish or momone. You can also use salted fish as well if you don't have the momone to give your oil flavor, okay? Moving forward, I'll go in with some chopped onions as well. I'm using 2 medium-sized chopped onions. I'll give it a good mix, and I'll also add some garlic and ginger paste as well, which will definitely add good flavors to this stew very well. Moving forward, I'll also go in with some natural spices, which consist of coriander seed, dried rosemary and bay leaves. Next, I'll also go in with some tomato paste. For this recipe, you can also use only fresh tomatoes if that is what you want or you have, okay? I'll stir everything beautifully until the tomatoes incorporate very well with the rest of the ingredients. While that is done, I'll go in with some powdered pepper as well. You can also use a fresh one, okay? I'll stir everything together and allow the stew to cook on low medium heat until it's nice and ready. Remember as well to keep an eye on it and check it from time to time, okay? Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my video, sharing, also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so the stew has been cooking for about 30 to 40 minutes now, and as you can see, it is beginning to darken up, and that's what I'm looking for. So while the tomatoes is also ready, let's go ahead and check on our wele, and as you can see, it has really softened very well, and at this point I will set it aside and I'll begin to make my agushi or akatwa ready. And I'm not going to be using only akatwa for this. I'm also going to be adding some eggs. You can omit the eggs if you don't like it. So next, I'll go in with some salt to taste. I'll also go in with a little bit of water. I'll stir everything together until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Remember as well to go in with just a little amount of water so that the consistency doesn't become too watery. And this is just the perfect consistency that I'll be going for. Alright, so next I'll add my agushi to the stew. I'll leave it to cook on low medium heat for about 10 to 20 minutes approximately until it's nice and ready. Remember as well to check it from time to time. So now let's cover it and allow it to do its own thing until it's nice and ready. While that is going on, let's go ahead and cook our kontomire leaves. If you don't have the kontomire leaves, you can use spinach or any green leaf of your choice. I already have some water in there, so now let's cover it and allow it to cook until it's nice and very soft. And If you are still with me at this point and you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Don't forget as well to give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing recipe. Thank you so much for doing that. So I've been cooking the agushi for about 20 minutes now and it's ready. So I'll go in with some fish powder. You can also go in with some shrimp powder if that is what you have. Next I'll go in with some mackerel and tomato sauce and also my cooked willy. Feel free to use any protein of your choice. I'll raise my plate a little bit because why not? I'm not leaving anything out. Let's stir everything together, and at this point it's time for us to go in with some seasoning. And for seasoning of choice, I'm going to be using shrimp seasoning powder. Next I'll also go in with some stew seasoning powder and a little bit of salt to taste. Feel free to use any seasoning of your choice. I'll stir everything together very nicely. I'll cover it and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes and it should be ready. After extra 5 minutes, I am back to check on it and it's doing all good and perfect. So I'll go in with my kontomire leaves, which I cooked earlier on. I'll stir everything together very nicely, just the way you see it on the screens right now. And when the kontomire leaves goes in like this, that means the stew is ready. Alright, so fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this Ghanaian authentic kontomire stew. I enjoyed mine with rice. You can also enjoy this with any combo of your choice. Now the stew is nice and ready. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try and I'll be glad to read all your beautiful feedbacks afterwards. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.